Good afternoon, children. Today, let's study a new topic LCM, least common multiple. Let's start with an example. Find the LCM of 12 and 18. LCM means least common multiple. In the case of HCF, we write the numbers separately, each number separately, but here we can write two numbers together. Okay, 12 and 18 together we can write. Then like this, in these two numbers, clearly we know the least prime number 2 is divisible. Here 2 is divisible. First we check in any of the given numbers 2 is divisible. If it is divisible by 2, we take 2 itself. First we take 2. Here when we take 2, in 12 how many 2? 6. In 18 how many 2? 9. Then given next the numbers are 6 and 9. In 6 and 9 any number is divisible by 2. That's our next step. Any one of the number is divisible by 2, then we take 2 itself. Okay, when we take 2 here, in 6 how many 2? 3. 9 is not divisible by 2, so we write 9 itself. This is the method. If any one of divisible by not divisible by 2, we write the number itself. Now the number is 3 and 9. In 3 and 9, 2 is not divisible. So we take the next prime number is 3. If we take 3, these two numbers are divisible by 3. So we write here 3. In 3 how many 3? 1. In 9 how many 3? 3. Okay, 1 and 3. Now in this only 3 is divisible. We write here 3. 1 we write itself as 1. Then the next number 3. In 3 how many 3? 1. Only 1. So we continue this factorization till we got 1 in the last step. Then we can stop there. If we get 1 in the last step, we stop the factorization. So this is the method of finding LCM of the given numbers. We just divide each numbers by using prime numbers only. So here the common multiples are 2, 2, 3, 3. Okay, 2, 2, 3, 3. So LCM equal to, we multiply all the four numbers. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 equal to 36. So LCM of two or more given numbers is the lowest or smallest of their common multiples. Lowest or smallest of their common multiples. Least number of their common multiples. That is LCM. Next example, LCM of 20, 25, 30. 3 numbers are there, so we write 3 numbers together. Then we check if any of the numbers are divisible by 2. So we take 2. Here 20 and 30 are divisible by 2. So we write 2 here. In 20 how many 2? 10. In 25 no 2's are there. That is 25 is not divisible by 2. So we write 25 itself. No change in the number, 25 itself. And in 30 how many 2? 15. Next this 10. 10 is only divisible by 2. So we must take 2. In 10 how many 2? 5. Then in 25 and 15 not divisible by 2. So we write 25 and 15 itself. 25 and 15. No change. Next 5, 25, 15. 2 is not divisible. Then 3 is divisible in 15 only. So we take 3. Then write 5 itself. Not divisible by 3, 5. So the 25 also not divisible by 3, 25 itself. 15 is divisible by 3. In 15 how many 3? 5. Okay, 5. So 5, 25 and 5 are the given numbers. Now only 5 is divisible here. In 5 how many 5? 1. In 25 5. In 5 1. Here 1, 5, 1 are the numbers. Next we can change 5 only. The other ones are right itself. Then 5, how many? 1 here. Then in 5, 1, 1, write like this. So the last step is 1, 1, 1. Now we can stop. Then find the LCM. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. Okay. When we multiply these 5 numbers, we will get 300 as answer. Next question. LCM of 5 and 20. We write together. In 20 there is divisible by 2. So we take 2. But 5 is not divisible. So we write 5 itself. Then in 20 how many 2? 10. Again 10 is divisible by 2. So we take 2. In 5 write itself. In 10 how many 2? 5. Okay. Again we take 5 because 5 is only divisible in 5. 5 one time, in 5 one time. Okay. Now we can find the LCM by multiplying these three numbers 2, 2 and 5. LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 5. Okay, answer is 20. So 20 is the least common multiple of 5 and 20. Next question, find the LCM of 9 and 45. We write 9 and 45 like this. Then 9 and 45, these two numbers are not divisible by 2. So we cannot take 2. Then we check any of the numbers are divisible by 3. Clearly we know both the numbers are divisible by 3. So we take 3 here. In 9 how many 3? 3. Next 45. So first we consider first number 4. 4. In 4 how many 3? 1 3. 3 into 1 3. So one number is remaining there. We put 1 before 5. That is 15. In 15 how many 3? 5. Okay. Now the number is 3 and 15. 3 and 15 are divisible by 3 again. So we take 3. In 3 how many 3? 1. In 15 how many 3? 5. Okay. Next only 5 is divisible. So we write here 5. 1 write itself. In 5 how many 5? 1. So we got 1 in the last step. So LCM equal to 3 into 5. Okay. Then answer is 45 is the LCM. Next question. A word problem. Listen very carefully. 3 boys step off together from the same spot. 3 boys step off together from the same spot. Their steps measures 63 centimeter, 70 centimeter and 77 respectively. Respectively means first boy step off from 63. Then second boy 70, third boy 77. What is the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete step? What is the minimum distance means what is the shortest distance? What is the smallest distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete step? They should cover complete steps. Then what is the smallest distance? That's our question. The minimum distance each should cover is the LCM of the measures. The word minimum is in red color. You can see the minimum means smallest, shortest. When this word comes in our word problem, that is minimum, shortest, smallest, just words when came in our question, we want to find the LCM of that numbers. When it is maximum or greater or higher, then we find the HCF of the given numbers, highest common factor. So when maximum, higher, highest, greatest, these such words are including in our question, we can find HCF, minimum, lowest, smallest, shortest. These words come, we use LCM. Here we have to find the shortest distance they can cover in complete step. Thus we find LCM of 63, 70 and 77. Okay, let's see. 63, 70 and 77. We write these numbers together. These are big numbers. So, any one of the number is divisible by 2? Yes. 70 is divisible by 2. The other two numbers are not divisible by 2. So, we write the number itself. So, we take 2. 63 not divisible. So, we write 63. In 70. For testing 70, first we take 7. 7. In 7, how many? 2. 3, 2. That is 2 times 3 is 6. Here one number is remaining. Then put 1 there. Before 0, 10. In 10, how many 2? 5. Okay. Next 77 not divisible by 2. So we write 77 itself. Next 63, 35, 77. 2 is not divisible here. Next we check 3 is divisible. Yes, in 63, 3 is divisible because 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 is a multiple of 3. So 63 is divisible by 3. Okay, let's see. 3 when we take 3. Then first number in 63, first number is 6. 63, first number is 6. In 6, how many 3? 2. Then in 3, 1. Okay, next take 3. How many times? 1. 21. Then next two numbers, write itself. That numbers are not divisible by 3. Next 21. When we take 21, 21 is also divisible by 3. So we again take 3. In 21 we know 7 3s are there. 7. 35 and 75 write itself. No change. Next is 7, 35, 77. 3 is not divisible in these three numbers. Then 5 is divisible. Next prime number is 5. After 3, next prime number is 5. So we take 5 in 35. Okay, next we take 5. 7, not divisible by 5. We write 7 itself. In 35, how many 5? 7. 77, write itself. Next 7, 7, 77. Next 5 is not divisible. Clearly we know 5 is not divisible in these three numbers. Then next prime number is 7. So we take 7 here. In 7, how many 7? 1. Next, in 7, how many 7? 1. In 77, how many 7? 11. Next, 1, 1, 11. Both of the numbers become 1. Then next only 11. So we take 11. Next 1, write 1. In 11, how many 11? 1. So many steps are here. So we can find the LCM. Find the LCM equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 11. When we multiply all these 6 numbers, we will get 6,930. Therefore, the minimum distance, the shorter distance is 6,930 centimeter. That is the LCM of these three numbers. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.